Today we will start a third lecture of class 10 mathematics. We will start exercise 1.1. In the first lecture and the second lecture, we have done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3, half part of exercise 1.1 on page number 8. Today we will start the question number 3, part number 5. Question number 3, part number 5. 6x square minus 17x plus 12 equal to 0. Here said solve by the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. I have written x. Why? The reason is that in this equation x variable is given, therefore I have written x. If instead of x there is y, then we can write y. If z, then z. Formula same as it is. Now we can find the value of a, b and c from this equation. The coefficient of x square highest part is 6. Is the value of a. The coefficient of x is the value of b. And the last one is the value of c. Now we put a, b and c in this equation. X is equal to minus, the value of b is minus 17 plus minus 17 square minus 4, the value of a is 6, the value of c is 12 divided by 2, a is 6. Now minus into minus plus 17 plus minus 17 square means 289 means minus 17 multiplied by minus 17. 7 into 7 49, 7 and 7 11, minus and minus give you plus 982, 289. 4 into 6 24, 24 into 12 give you 288 divided by 12. Now x is equal to 17 plus minus 289 minus 288 give you 1 divided by 12. X is equal to 17 plus minus the root of 1 is 1 divided by 12. Now we have two possibilities. The first one, x is equal to 17 plus 1 divided by 12. The other one is x is equal to 17 minus 1 divided by 12. X is equal to 17 plus 1 gives you 18 divided by 12. X is equal to 17 minus 1, 16 by 12. Now we can cancel. 6 2 times, 6 3 times, 4 3 times, 4 4 times. Now what's the answer? X is equal to 3 by 2 and the second one x is equal to 4 by 3. Now we can write this answer in the solution set. Why? Because in the question there is that to solve. If in the question there is solve or to find a solution set, you must write the answer in the solution set. The first answer is 3 by 2. The second one is 4 by 3. This question is solved. Thank you. God bless you.